Oh, hey babe, it's been a super busy morning, but you could still come over and take a bite of my muffin.
And forth, move my body back.
What's going on? It's Catra and the Kitchen Kitty, and let's face it, we all get busy in the morning. I got things to do today. Today I'm going to be showing you 2 breakfast ideas that are fast, filling, delicious, and healthy to rev that engine and get your day started with breakfast on the go.
Move my body back and forth. Move my body.
I have about 8 eggs in a bowl. I'm just going to whisk it up.
Move my body back and forth. Move my body.
I'm just going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon Italian seasoning, season with salt, and pepper. Just whisk, whisk, whisk. Who doesn't love to eat a muffin? I sprayed down a muffin tin with some nonstick spray, or you could put cupcake liners in them. These are super easy. You can put whatever you want. I'm going to show you a couple different ways. I'm going to put some, let's see, turkey sausage that's already cooked. That. I had some sauteed mushrooms and spinach. Right there. Some diced tomato. Ladle that in. You're about 3/4 of the way, just right there. And just fill them all up. I'm just putting a little fat-free cheese, but you do whatever you like. I put them in my oven, 350 for about 20 minutes. They're almost done. Gonna give a couple more minutes till they're set. I pulled them out of the oven. They're nice and set, and that's it. We're just gonna let these babies cool. I love a big round bagel smothered in cream cheese with lox on top. But the truth is, if we eat that each day, we just look like big old bagels. So we're gonna lighten it up. Lighten it up with a couple slices of Dave's Killer Bread. I toasted it. Some low-fat cottage cheese, smoked salmon, everything bagel seasoning, a couple keepers for garnish, and some chopped dill. Just spreading a little bit of cottage cheese on the top. Everything bagel seasoning, sprinkle. I like capers, so I'm gonna put some on top of mine. Lay down some smoked salmon. I'm just gonna cut them in half. And just garnish with a little chopped dill. I just put some black pepper on top. Simple, easy, delicious, and fast. Babe, come eat my muffin! Who doesn't love some extra protein? These store great in the fridge for a couple days. Wrap them up and just, put them in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Let's give them a shot. I got the one with mushroom and spinach. Simple, filling, hearty, and delicious. Ooh. Let's try our lighten up lox. If you're a bagel and lox person, this is a lightened up version just for you. It's that creaminess from the cottage cheese, that everything bagel seasoning has this nice little kick to it. You got that rich smoked salmon, the freshness of the dill. Now that's some breakfast food porn. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Katrin at the Kitchen Kitty. I appreciate you being here in the kitchen with me. Don't forget to like, click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and leave your comments below and say hello. Until next time, ciao.